Hello friends, we are going to learn from an excellent book, As a Man Think. It will help to develop growth mindset and its message-less foundation of 99% of self-development books I have ever read. Watch the video till very end to improve your life in positive way. James Allen was a British philosophical writer known for his inspirational books and poetry and as a pioneer of self-help movement. His best known work, As a Man Think, has been mass produced since its publication in 1903. It has been source of inspiration to motivation and self-help authors. This book shows how in his own thought world each man holds the key to every condition, good or bad, that enters in his life, and that by working patiently and intelligently upon his thoughts, he may remake his life and transform his circumstances. Why this book? This book will help to develop growth mindset. If you guys have not read it, I highly recommend this book. The price of book is less than a cup of coffee. This book can be carried in pocket and it will help you to help yourself. A pocket companion for thoughtful people and a book on power and right application of thought. Please check description for more details. Watch the video till very end to learn 5 key lessons that will improve rest of your life. Lesson number 1. Thoughts create habits and habits create circumstances. James Allen is of view that as physically weak can make himself strong by careful and patient training, so a man of weak thoughts can make themselves strong by exercising himself in right thinking. Charles Duhigg, in his most celebrated book, Power of Habit, explains well that how we can change any habit just by changing routine. Let's take an example of a person suffering from any addiction like alcohol, online gaming, checking social media feeds. What he has to do is simply each time he feels urge, that is cue, to check social media feeds, to consume alcohol, play online games, he just have to find another routine like talking to a friend, eating something healthy, working out physically, which will give him equally satisfying reward. Body is servant of mind. James Allen says men are anxious to improve their circumstances but are unwilling to improve themselves. A man cannot directly choose his circumstances, but he can choose his thoughts, and so indirectly yet surely shapes his circumstances. In all human affairs, there are efforts and there are results, and the strength of effort is measure of result. For example, if John wants to have good physique, then surely he has to give through rigor of hard training, and result will not be mere chance but result of efforts he put in gym. A line very close to my heart from this book: he who would accomplish little must sacrifice little. He who would achieve much must sacrifice much. He who would attain highly must sacrifice greatly. So, from this, we come to our third lesson. Lesson third: resolved mind is virtue. A man should conceive of legitimate purpose in his heart and set out to accomplish it. He should make this purpose the centralizing point of his thoughts. He should steadily focus his thought upon the object which he has set before him. He should make this purpose his supreme duty and should devote himself to its attainment. This reminds me of 5-second rule by Mel Robbins. Few of my friends find it difficult to take small decisions like getting up early, not eating junk foods, going bed early, or not wasting time in social media. Mel Robbins explains it. It is all just easy. It is very easy. Just count 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 and act. Do not procrastinate. Just act, and you will be surprised by the result. Lesson 4: only you can change your life. At the end of the day, it is up to you to take charge of your life. Like I can list all good things, how much our thought is powerful, but you will always gravitate towards that which you secretly most love. Now the final lesson, lesson number 5, serenity. James Allen says, strong, calm people are always revered. One develops calmness by patiently developing self-control. Calm people are whether it is rain or sunshine, always embracing positivity. Of all the techniques, I find meditation most effective for self-control. Learn meditation through free online meditation sessions. Check description for more details. Let's summarize all 5 lessons we learned. Lesson 1: thoughts create habits and habits create circumstances. Lesson number 2: body is servant of mind. Lesson number 3: resolved mind is virtue. Lesson number 4: only you can change your life. Lesson number 5: serenity. Thank you. Please like and share and press the bell icon for notification.